What is up, everybody? Josiah here, creator of jjcaglevideos, and I'm excited to announce that I will be back this fall with some iOS 18 tutorials. And I also wanted to share a couple more announcements with y'all. First, I will be transitioning from the traditional YouTube video format that I've done in the past to YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, and TikToks. I think that this change will allow me to make more videos within my schedule and hopefully allow me to push more content to y'all. I also think it will allow me to reach more of my target audience, and I think it will be a better fit for the type of content I create. I'm also excited to announce that I have done some rebranding with jjcaglevideos, just changing the logo, changing the look, and I am excited for this next chapter of my channel. So to all my longtime subscribers, recent subscribers, and future subscribers, thank you for your support, and I am so excited to drop some amazing new tutorials for y'all this fall. JJ Cagle, out.